we now have a very special performance. The next performance that we are all going to witness today is nothing less than a miracle. Team Sunada from the Samarthanam Trust for the Disabled. The Samarthanam Trust for the Disabled is a national award-winning NGO established in the year 1997 by founder managing trustee Dr. Mahantesh G. Kivadasannavar and his schoolmate and childhood friend late Sugur Paramashivaya Nagesh. Samarthanam, one of the biggest NGOs in India, works for the empowerment of persons with disabilities and the underserved through its diverse initiatives focused on providing quality education, accommodation, nutritious food, vocational training, and placement-based rehabilitation. It facilitates opportunities to enable persons with disabilities and the underserved to keep pace with the rest of the society. Today, Samarthanam Trust stands to be a complete solution provider by supporting education and livelihood needs of persons with disabilities and those from underprivileged backgrounds. The organization also facilitates direct livelihood opportunities to hundreds of persons with disabilities and women in distress through its social enterprises. Cricket Association for the Blind in India, CABI, the cricketing arm of Samarthanam, fosters the game of blind cricket and the visually impaired players across India. Their vision, an inclusive society free from discrimination where persons with disabilities become contributing members living with dignity and respect. Their mission, to empower visually impaired, disabled, and underprivileged people through developmental initiatives focusing on educational, social, economic, cultural, and technological aspects. Their Vision 2030. Samarthanam envisions to touch at least 10 lakh lives by 2030, providing comprehensive solutions to the disabled and underserved communities. Dr. Mahantesh G. Kivadasannavar. His life has always been about determination and conviction that if you set your mind to it, nothing is impossible. There is an obvious but massive distinction between sight and vision. Despite being born blind, Mahantesh Sir became a visionary, refusing to blink in the face of adversity, and today presides over a trust for the disabled and a sports body promoting cricket for the blind. Mahantesh Sir was born into a loving extended joint family which made sure the lack of sight was no impediment to the young lad's development as a person. Like all Indian kids his age of that and subsequent generations, Mahantesh was hooked to cricket. The transistor became his best buddy, and not merely because live television had not yet taken deep root in India. While he could have coasted through life cocooned in the warmth and affection of his family, Mahantesh was keen to make a difference to the community at large. His move to Bangalore to pursue education was to improve a massive game changer. He came in contact with people willing to go out of their way to help him in his endeavors. It was a lesson well learned, for as he grew in stature, Mahantesh embraced that very trait of selflessness. Today, if Mahantesh finds himself in the inviolable position of rubbing shoulders with the rich and the powerful, it's only because of the path he charted out several decades back. Few people are blessed with the desire to make a difference. Fewer still have the drive and the enterprise to give shape to that desire. It just goes to show that if the intentions are noble and the body, mind, and spirit are willing, then the sky is the limit. Team Sunada. Performing arts beyond barriers. Sunada, the Distinguished Arts and Culture Division of Samarthanam Trust for the Disabled, is a beacon for nurturing artistic talent among individuals with disabilities. Comprising a diverse ensemble of artists, Sunada graces state, national, and international platforms with their captivating performances. The troupe boasts a roster of individuals with disabilities who exhibit unparalleled mastery in classical and folk dance forms, versatile artists proficient in Carnatic, Hindustani, film songs, and a variety of musical styles, earning resounding applause and appreciation. Since its inception in 1999, Sunada has illuminated stages across 3 continents, amassing an impressive tally of over 3,000 performances. Their awe inspiring group and solo acts have garnered numerous accolades on both national and international platforms. As their acclaim grew, Sunada toured the USA, UK, Malaysia, Thailand, and multiple Indian locations, captivating audiences on diverse platforms with their performances. These exceptional artists receive frequent invitations to perform at prestigious events like the Hampi Utsav and the Vishwa Kannada Sammelana, ACT, in Karnataka. These experiences not only elevate their artistry, but also foster awareness, confidence, and career growth in the arts, exemplifying Sunada's commitment to inclusivity and creativity in enriching the world of art. Sunada has set up an orchestra comprising 4 instrumentalists and 3 vocalists who are visually impaired. They might be blind, but their talent is not. Our visually impaired musicians strike a chord with their music and singing. They specialize in genres such as folk, Bollywood, Western, and light vocals. We welcome Team Sunada.
To ensure that all people have equal opportunities for education, work, art, sports, health, and success is the motto of Samarthanam. Samarthanam means support or empowerment, and we believe in extending all the support needed to people with disabilities and the underprivileged for their empowerment and independent living. Breaking stereotypes, our 25 years of persistence and hard work towards transforming the lives of 100,000 people with disabilities is evident in the inspirational lives being led by our beneficiaries today. Samarthanam since 1997 has incrementally been supporting people in need through its programs, which are carefully designed to suit the requirements of our diverse and skilled beneficiaries. Envisioning an inclusive world and a world of equal opportunities was the founding stone of Samarthanam. It is not sight but the vision that drives success, and our founder is a living example of it. National award-winning Dr. Mahantesh GK is a visually challenged individual who built Samarthanam, an abode for people with disabilities and the underserved. He saw what was invisible to the others, the ability.
I became visually impaired when I was 6 months old baby. Because of my joint family, who were very progressive, ensured all my needs were met. Therefore, I never felt I was different from others. We are not born with societal empowerment, but I was fortunate as it was bestowed on me by my mother. When I was joining Sri Ramana Maharshi Academy for the Blind as a student, she told me, if others knowingly, unknowingly takes your belongings, don't worry, they need it more than you.
Present across 13 cities, Samarthanam has consultative status with United Nations under ECOSOC since 2015 and is also a CRISIL-rated organization for its financial transparency with over 600 plus employees, of which 34% of them are people with disabilities. Gaining support from US and UK is a testimony to the relentless service rendered by the team and volunteers.
25 years of committed service has led to the establishment of many centers across with diverse initiatives. All programs of Samarthanam are designed in a sustainable, replicable and scalable model, aligning with Sustainable Development Goals of United Nations.
Samarthanam has endeavored into exclusive verticals for the betterment of society at large. Freedom is meaningless if you cannot feed children. Samarthanam's Vidya Prasad serves over 7,300 plus nutritious meals every day in 52 schools. Cooked with love under hygienic conditions, food is prepared and supplied from a centralized kitchen. We have been able to help in decreased absenteeism in schools with healthier children. Samarthanam runs residential schools from Standard 1 to 10 with a cost-free education model. The classrooms of Samarthanam reflect its vision of inclusive society, equality and justice for all. Education in Samarthanam is not mere learning of facts, but training the mind to think. We focus on smart classes with innovative methods like Tinker Labs, games and animation, mobile app development, robotics, microbit, 3D printing, and artificial intelligence learning module. With the help of digitalization, Samarthanam is able to introduce sophistication at the grassroots level of education for students hailing from all backgrounds, spread across 200 plus government schools, benefiting approximately 3 lakh plus kids pan-India in 10 states. All this aligns with the National Education Policy (NEP) program approved by the Union Cabinet of India. After basic education, Samarthanam's LRC Livelihood Resource Center imparts vocational training to students to choose a profession for financial independence. With 12 skilling centers in India, Samarthanam has trained 23,666 plus beneficiaries, with 68% of them placed in new age jobs across India. We ensure we provide technical and sector-based training. We have conducted over 50 job fairs for youth with disabilities aimed at rehabilitating PWDs who have lost their jobs during the pandemic and others looking for jobs.
Technology has been the biggest enabler, especially for disabled people, as it doesn't discriminate. Technology has been an integral part of Samarthanam throughout.
For people without disabilities, technology makes things easier, and for people with disabilities, technology makes things possible. Technology is used effectively in Samarthanam, and free aids and assistive devices are consistently distributed to persons with disabilities to empower them to live an independent life.
Prior to 2010, in India, cricket for the blind was managed by Association Cricket for the Blind in India. In 2010, they decided to move on and handed over the responsibility to me and Nagesh. And we decided to create Cricket Association for the Blind in India, an independent organization supported by Samarthanam Trust to promote, foster, govern and manage the game of cricket for the blind in India from then onwards.
CABI has trained 30,000 blind enthusiasts and is known for its exclusive affiliation with the World Blind Cricket Limited WBC and 30 state and union territories boards. The Indian team under the aegis of Samarthanam and CABI has won 4 World Cups since 2010 and is the only team that is the champion of all formats of the game. It's not just about the game, but an opportunity to build confidence in youth with disabilities and used as a transformational tool to mainstream them into Samarthanam's diverse initiatives.
Salute to the spirit of the blind cricketers. They remind us that disability is only in the mind.
Invigorating unity through the power of music and dance, Sunadha is empaneled with the group Indian Council for Cultural Relations, ICCR, which is a part of the Ministry of External Affairs, MOMA, Government of India, and has had over 3,000 performances across 3 continents. Our recent endeavor is a dedicated 32,284 square foot state-of-the-art facility known as Samarthanam Art Center, The Art Center will be a space for accessible performances from actors in wheelchairs to artists with a spectrum of disabilities, where each artist will find a common desire to perform. A home for women in distress and the well-being of their children is Swadhara Graha, the rehabilitation center of Samarthanam, which lends a helping hand to women in distress who, along with their children, receive protection and vocational training, helping them recuperate and become independent. Samarthanam's Parisara, the environmental initiative, works with an untiring motto of spreading awareness that when we refuse to reuse, it's the earth you abuse. Parisara implements cost-effective solutions for waste collection and reduces the burden on landfills. Parisara reaches out to hundreds of corporates and processes 2.6 lakh tons of dry waste every year. The dry waste collection drive has spread awareness and reached and sensitized 20% of the city's population. 4 disabled-friendly railway stations in Bangalore have been inaugurated to facilitate independent mobility within the station for the visually impaired, speech and hearing impaired, and senior citizens. Braille maps, signage, ticket counters, platform indicators, portable ramps, railings, modified toilets, and special waiting rooms for the differently abled passengers in over 100 railway stations across 10 states have been completed. The Walkathon is an annual feature organized by Samarthanam Trust for the Disabled since 2005 on specific themes every year to commemorate World Disability Day. Such events create awareness and, more importantly, call for concerted action. Some of the Walkathon themes have been I Support Blind Cricket, Enabling Accessibility, Save Water, Save Life. During the COVID pandemic, Samarthanam was able to reach 10 lakh lives by providing resources to the...
So after that wonderful introduction of the Samarthanam Trust, the stage is handed over to Team Sunada. Let's encourage and welcome them with a huge round of applause.
अजं निर्विकल्पं निराकारमेकं निरानन्दमानन्दमद्वैतपूर्णम् अजं निर्विकल्पं निराकारमेकं निरानन्दमानन्दमद्वैतपूर्णं परं निर्गुणं निर्विशेषं निरीहं परं निर्गुणं निर्विशेषं निरीहं परब्रह्मरूपं गणेशं भजेमा परब्रह्मरूपं गणेशं भजेमा गुणातीतमानं चिदानन्दरूपं चिदाभासकं सर्वगम्यारगम्यं गुणातीतमानं चिदानन्दरूपं चिदाभासकं सर्वगम्यानगम्यं मुनिर्देहमाकाशरूपं परेशं मुनिर्देहमाकाशरूपं परेशं परब्रह्मरूपं गणेशं भजेमा परब्रह्मरूपं गणेशं भजेमा जगत्कारणं कारणज्ञानरूपं सुरादिं सुखादिं गुणेशं गणेशं जगत्कारणं कारणज्ञानरूपं सुरादिं सुखादिं गुणेशं गणेशं जगद्व्यापिनं विश्ववन्द्यं सुरेशं जगद्व्यापिनं विश्ववन्द्यं सुरेशं परब्रह्मरूपं गणेशं भजेमा परब्रह्मरूपं गणेशं भजेमा परब्रह्मरूपं गणेशं भजेमा
next bhajan that they will be presenting is Jago Kundalini Ma. This is a bhajan of Her Holiness Shri Mataji Nirmala Devi.
जागो 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 कुंडलिनी माँ करो सब पे कृपा जागो कुंडलिनी माँ करो सब पे कृपा सहस्रार में आंखें सहस्रार में आंखें चूहेंगे हम आसमान जागो कुंडलिनी माँ करो सब पे कृपा मूलाधार में तुम बेटी हो माँ सदियों से तुम सोई हुई मूलाधार में तुम बेटी हो माँ सदियों से तुम सोई हुई इच्छा हुई पाले तुझको इच्छा हुई पाले तुझको हासिल हो तुम जागो कुंडलिनी माँ जागो कुंडलिनी माँ करो सब पे कृपा समा जाओ माँ मजा में अभी सभी चक्र तुम निरंजित करो समा जाओ माँ मजा में अभी सभी चक्र तुम निरंजित करो गणेश स्वयं पूजे तुझको गणेश स्वयं पूजे तुझको शरण में तेरे आओ कुंडलिनी माँ जागो कुंडलिनी माँ करो सब पे कृपा आत्मा में प्रकाश भरो जो बिखरे है चित्त एकत्रित करो सही आत्मा में प्रकाश भरो सभी चक्र तुम एकत्रित करो रोशनी में तेरे तभी दूर होंगे अंधेरे रोशनी में तेरी जागो कुंडलिनी माँ जागो कुंडलिनी माँ करो सब पे कृपा जागो कुंडलिनी माँ करो सब पे कृपा सहस्रार में आंखें सहस्रार में आंखें चूहेंगे हम आसमान जागो कुंडलिनी माँ करो सब पे कृपा करो सब पे कृपा कृपा. Thank you.
The next bhajan is Jai Ganesh Deva.
जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा. जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा. माता छकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा. माता छकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा. जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा. जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा. माता छकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा. माता छकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा. एकदंत दयावंत चार भुजाधारी. एकदंत दयावंत चार भुजाधारी. मस्तक सिंदूर शोह मूस की सवारी. मस्तक सिंदूर शोह मूस की सवारी. एकदंत दयावंत चार भुजाधारी. एकदंत दयावंत चार भुजाधारी. मस्तक सिंदूर शोह मूष की सवारी. मस्तक सिंदूर शोह तूर की सवारी. पान चढ़े फूल चढ़े और चढ़े देवा. पान चढ़े फूल चढ़े और चढ़े मेवा. लडवन का भोग लगे संत करे सेवा. लडवन का भोग लगे संत करे सेवा. जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा. जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा. माता छकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा. माता छकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा. देत कोढ़न को काया. अंधों को आंख देत कोढ़न को काया. भांजन को पुत्र देत निर्धन को माया. भांजन को पुत्र देत निर्धन को माया. सूर शाम शरण आए सकल की जय सेवा. सूर शाम शरण आए सकल की जय सेवा. माता छकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा. माता छकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा. जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा. जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा. माता छकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा. माता छकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा. माता छकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा.
The next piece that they are presenting is Bhavani Dayani.
महावाक्वानी दयानी भवानी महावाक्वानी महावाक्वानी सोरा नरमुनि जनमनि सकल बुध ज्ञानी दयानी भवानी दयानी भवानी महावाक्वानी महावाक्वानी सोरा नरमुनि जनमनि सकल बुध ज्ञानी दयानी भवानी दयानी भवानी जग जननी जन जानी जग जाननी जग जननी जन जानी जग जननी जन जानी जग जननी जग जानी महिषासुरमर्दिनी जग जननी जग जानी महिषासुरमर्दिनी ज्वालामुखी चंडी ज्वालामुखी चंडी अमर पददानी ज्वालामुखी चंडी अमर पददानी दयानी भवानी दयानी भवानी महावाक्वानी महावाक्वानी सोरा नरमुनि जनमनि सकल बुध ज्ञानी दयानी भवानी दयानी भवानी महावाक्वानी महावाक्वानी सकल मुनि जनमनि सकल बुध ज्ञानी दयानी भवानी दयानी भवानी दयानी भवानी.
Before the team Sunada concludes with Amba Parameshwari, Akhilandeshwari, I would like to give a special mention that just 2 days back, Team Sunada has experienced the process of Kundalini awakening through self-realization, and they have prepared the 3 Sahjoga bhajans within no time. Team Sunada is performing without I think more confidently than any of us ever perform. So great. Kudos to you, Team Sunada. Thank you for being here and giving us such soulful renditions today. Over to you. The last piece, Amba Parameshwari, Akhilandeshwari.
अम्बा परमेश्वरी अखिलांडेश्वरी आदि पराशक्ति पालय माला. अम्बा परमेश्वरी अखिलांडेश्वरी आदि पराशक्ति पालय मां माता महेश्वरी दुर्गा लक्ष्मी माता महेश्वरी दुर्गा लक्ष्मी वाणी सरस्वती पालय मां वाणी सरस्वती पालय मां अम्बा परमेश्वरी अखिलांडेश्वरी आदि पराशक्ति पालय मां कंची कामाक्षी मधुरै मीनाक्षी कंची कामाक्षी मधुरै मीनाक्षी काशी विशालाक्षी पालय मां कंची कामाक्षी मधुरै मीनाक्षी काशी विशालाक्षी पालय मां ओंकारेश्वरी रींकारेश्वरी ओंकारेश्वरी रींकारेश्वरी भवानी शंकरी पालय मां भवानी शंकरी पालय मां अम्बा परमेश्वरी अखिलांडेश्वरी आदि पराशक्ति पालय मां श्री भुवनेश्वरी राजराजेश्वरी अनंत रूपिणी पालय मां श्री भुवनेश्वरी राजराजेश्वरी अनंत रूपिणी पालय मां ओंकारेश्वरी रींकारेश्वरी ओंकारेश्वरी रींकारेश्वरी श्री चौडेश्वरी पालय मां श्री चौडेश्वरी पालय मां अम्बा परमेश्वरी अखिलांडेश्वरी आदि पराशक्ति पालय मां अम्बा परमेश्वरी अखिलांडेश्वरी आदि पराशक्ति पालय मां माता महेश्वरी दुर्गा लक्ष्मी माता महेश्वरी दुर्गा लक्ष्मी वाणी सरस्वती पालय मां वाणी सरस्वती पालय मां अम्बा परमेश्वरी अखिलांडेश्वरी आदि पराशक्ति पालय मां आदि पराशक्ति पालय मां आदि पराशक्ति पालय मां
Thank you, Team Sunada. That was truly a melodious, soulful, and divine performance. Thank you so much.